Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Mazda BT50 XT dual cab Ute, stock reference number 4955. This shape runs from the 10th month 2011 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a P5 AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. P5 AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left-hand front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left-hand rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module, less neck. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door also has one small dent. Right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. We have the automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, and the rear headrests. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.